Alright, we've got another shoot today. We have Helen.
Hello.
I said it right. I said it right.
Helen.
But yeah, we got a shoot today. We've done some already. About to go on the jet ski. And Helen's gonna fall in. But yeah, we got the guys here back again, sorting out the gear.
The A-team.
And then yeah, we're gonna be over there. She's gonna be on the jet ski. Probably gonna have to use the 135, of course. But yeah, let's get into it. Starting off with the 135mm L glass EF, of course. Since I've started using this lens again, I can't lie, I haven't touched my 100. I'm gonna apologize. I apologize for all the 135 users. I was wrong. Okay, this lens is king of bokeh, and I got caught up with the size and weight of the 100mm. Don't get me wrong, the 100mm is an amazing lens for sure. If you're on a super tight budget, get the 100mm. It's fantastic, small, light, still telephoto, and it's around 150 mark dollars. You can't go wrong with that. But the 135, yeah, it's a bit heavier, it's longer, but it's king. Like, this lens has insane quality. Now switching back to the best travel lens, 24-70, for some mids and some close-ups, a bit more detail shots. And I've also a question I want to ask my audience. Have you noticed any difference in your pictures with or without the lens hood? That's what I wanted to know. I forgot to do content without it. I just did the whole shoot for this whole trip with the lens hoods on. But I want to ask that, have you noticed any difference with them on or with them off? Like, what are the noticeable differences? Because they do take up a lot of room in the bag if I do have to keep taking them with me on my trips. Nice. Yeah, that's it. Like, perfect. Nice. So now going in with the 24-70, just to get those kind of mids and portraits, the more creative shots. That's how you can go in, get a bit closer to 24-70. f2.8 is incredibly sharp, so that's where I'm going in to get all of that photo and video, going in to get those kind of details and the cinematics for the upcoming sequence. And this is where I kind of get that with now the 24-70. I feel like this is my now go-to pair up, especially for traveling and your light. You got the 24-70, which has a good range. f2.8 in such sunny countries is more than enough. The f2 with the 135 telephoto is also great, can get some great detailed shots, smash out the background. I do also obviously love my 24mm version 2 1.4, incredible lens that I'll be using in the next half of the video. Oh yeah. location. Come Helen. We're at our next spot, our next location, next outfit. We're going to shoot next to this tractor. I'll show you the tractor. Old school vibes, it's all rusty, rustic look. And yeah, Helen's gonna smash it. So yeah, let's go. You go right in the middle of the, yeah, right there, yeah. Nice. Love that. Nice. One of the things I always think about when shooting these kind of images or sets, especially when you have something like a key object in your frame with the model that's kind of the focus as well as the model. This is why I love to switch up with my lenses. As you can see, I switch between my 135 and my 24mm version 2 EF, just to get that nice different perspectives. I can get different angles, different focal lengths, and just bring a different vibe. Now again, when you're posting on social media and you're mixing in between, it creates a nice story between each frame. Then you can select, because obviously you can have the same coloring. The only thing that's going to be different is the composition and the focal lengths and the fields of view. Now that's where you can paint your story when you're posting your carousel posts on Instagram or any other platform. You can tell a story with it, and you can kind of bring attention or less attention to different things throughout the kind of showcase. I feel like that's what's important as well when you're shooting as well, to think about where you're going to be posting this to create a good narrative and story behind your images that you're just taking. Don't just take blindly and think you'll think about it later. That's why a lot of people just fall flat and thinking shooting great models or big models is gonna work out, and it doesn't, because that's great, but a lot of people want more. They want something that they can remember these photos by. Nice. Yeah, that's fine. Love that. Oof. Nice. I'm gonna do another video. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Get another one. 3, 2. Focus, damn it. 3. No.
I said 24.
Yeah.
Wow. The light is very
Yeah,
nice.
it's nice, isn't it? And the colours like pop. I think maybe some more here, like sideways, some sideways shots. Yeah. It might be dumped. Yeah, that's it, that way, exactly how you are there, tiptoe, and then maybe legs. That's it, that's it. Nice. Fire. Nah, that's insane. Nice. Yeah, that's it, hold that, that's fire. Fire. Hold that, hold that. Nice. Yeah, that's it. Fire. Come this way. And then come to the front here. So. Nice. Oh my days. This is fire! Fire! Okay, you can come down now. Fire. Woo! Insane. Need to fold the shorts up. Do one. Nice, that's it. Love that fire. Ooh, love that, love that, love that. Yeah. Nice.
With your back. Look like that. Yeah.
Nice. Fire. Come here. Alright, so we've had Helen. She's had some fire photos, which you've seen in the video. But yeah, where can they find you on Instagram?
Helen Baleiro.
It'll be on the screen. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.